This was brand new, like still had the tags on it, and I got it for $2. $2. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a haul video. I have been ordering items online. Also, some stores have recently been opening, so I do have some items to show that I did buy in store as well. So if you're excited to see what I got, make sure you keep on watching. The first thing that I got was this shirt from American Eagle. Let me stand up to show you. I think it's really cute. I love this color. So it kind of has like a faux, not knot, but anyway, this is what the shirt looks like. It's this really pretty green. Also, I got these shorts at a consignment shop. These are Universal Thread, which is a Target brand, and I really love these shorts. They're super comfortable, and I can just tell that I'm going to be wearing them a lot, especially in the spring and summer. I can already tell. They're high-waisted. I love these shorts, and I love this shirt. Like, this is an outfit. This is the necklace that I got in my FabFitFun in the spring. It's a look. The next thing I got, as you'll see a theme that I like this color. These shorts are from Mauves. They are also high-waisted, I believe. I'm just on the fence about these a little bit. I think it's because I need to see a complete look, maybe. I don't know. I've also feel like I've gotten a lot of shorts recently, like not mad about it. I live in a warm climate, so they will definitely be worn, but I just really love these denim shorts, for example, so I don't know. But I don't know, I really like the color, but I'm still kind of on the fence. We'll see. I also got another pair of shorts from a thrift store. These are also, no wait, the other ones were Universal Thread. These are Old Navy. These are Old Navy black shorts. I think that they're super cute, in good condition as well. Was also excited to get those. The next thing I got was online. I finally got a Jonas Brothers t-shirt. Excited about this. I feel like I'm breezing through this haul way faster than I thought I was going to, because you know, obviously I've been collecting these items, but almost forgot the shoes. I was gonna say that's all of the clothing I have to show you, but no, it's not. I also have two pairs of shoes to show you. Also, as you can, I don't know if you can tell or not, but these items were like collected over a period of time, and also like some of them I got, some of them my parents might have got, so just to throw that out there. I have two pairs of shoes to show you. These are Skechers. They are wedges, as you can see, and I think that they're really cute. It's not too tall of a wedge, and they are really comfortable. I have already worn those. As I mentioned, they're from Skechers, and I just like those, especially to wear with like maxi dresses. And I don't know, I might wear them with a pair of jeans if I like wanted to dress up an outfit. I feel like that would kind of dress up an outfit. I think that they're really cute, really comfortable. The next ones that I have to show you are also a pair of heels, and these are a little bit more formal. These are navy. Not sure if you'll be able to see that they're navy on camera or not. But yeah, they're these like these are these heels, and I like these because it's a wide heel. I have already worn these as well, and these are extremely comfortable. I don't normally wear heels too much, but I just do think that they look nice. I like to have them as an option. So I think that those are both really cute. I like those shoes a lot, and I am glad to kind of expand my shoe collection, kind of, you know, get nicer shoes as well. I feel like I get more clothes more often, and I don't necessarily get as many pairs of shoes. I don't know, but I do like those. Next up, the item that I got, it hasn't come in yet, but it's gonna look just like this. It's just gonna be a different shade. I got another Stay Naked foundation. If you've watched my videos before, I have self-tanner on. We'll get into that in a second. Whenever I am a little bit more tan, which yes, this is tan for me. I know, it's hard to believe, but I mix the shades 20NN and 30NN from this foundation line. So this is 30NN that I already have a backup of. So I believe I ordered 20NN, so 20NN should be coming in. This is what the package looks like. I do like this foundation. I've been using it for a while. The foundation that I have on today is 20NN and 30NN mixed because I have a little bit of a tan on. And on my face, I'm using, I think it's the Jergens face self tanner, something like that. And then the rest of my self tanner is from this Tan Luxe The Body. I finally got this. I had been thinking about getting it for a while, but it is not inexpensive. I did finally get this, and I did use it, you know, especially you can see, like, I don't know if you'll be able to tell or not, but this is the self tanner that I have on my arms. This is the Tan Luxe The Body. This is the medium dark shade, because whenever I went to order this, they were sold out of the light medium shade. But I've never tried the light medium shade, I don't think, but I don't think it looks unnatural. I think it looks pretty natural, and I really like it. I am pleased with it. The next thing I got was off of Amazon. This is the Super Vitamin C. This is a vitamin C serum from, as I mentioned, from Amazon. This is specifically the New York Biology brand. I mean, I do like it, but I don't know if, like, you know, I haven't used it long enough to kind of give a review, I don't think. The only thing, obviously, that I didn't know about, because, you know, I ordered it online, it does have a little bit of a scent that I was not expecting. It's not like the worst thing ever where, like, I'm never gonna use it, but it does have a little bit of a scent that I did want to mention. But obviously I'm still gonna use it. I just wanted to point that out. I do have more clothes to show you. This first one is a dress that my friend Sarah gave me. It is a black dress, and it is a cold shoulder. It has kind of like these ruffly sleeves. Also has a tie where you tie it around your waist. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's a V-neck in the front, and then it has like this little, whatever you call this, in the back. And it's this nice black dress that I got from my friend. Thank you, Sarah, for giving that to me. Then I got, also from a thrift store, I got this dress. This had the tags on it. I've already, you know, cut off the tags, and I already washed this and everything like that. I got this for $2. And my friend Sarah found this. She didn't want it, so I got it. And it has a little belt that goes around the waist right here. Just looks like this. It's this really pretty reddish, deep red color, whatever you would want to, however you would want to describe this. But yeah, this was brand new, like still had the tags on it, and I got it for $2. $2. If you liked this video, I think you'll also really like this video. Just click right here to go check it out right here. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Feel free to stick around and subscribe. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.